Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So basically I'm doing a review and unboxing these plastic bags. I bought them on Temu. I think they were €6 for 10, so I got 20, so I got around €12 for the 20 of them. So they're very handy. So basically if you own a clothing brand or anything, basically if you were doing deliveries and shipping, you can literally just buy these, put the clothing into it and wrap it in a package, then just send it away to the customer. So basically, yeah, it's plastic, it's clear as day as well. You can see through it. It's nice. It's like the Shein bags, but it's plain, so you can just put your own logo there. I was just showing across there, and each side you can unzip it there. It's very handy, and they're very big, they're very good, so they're a very good deal if you did own a clothing brand, if you wanted to wrap your clothing and protect it and make sure give the customers a nice packaging as well, and they can keep that in them for themselves. Just if it was the store close away, in them sealed bags, they're very handy for that. So they're very big, so it's very handy. So that's them. They're very clear. So hope you like the video and subscribe if you enjoy. So that's them. Yeah, take care, peace.